Hi, everybody. Native English secrets. Today, also, we are going to discuss one of the most crucial topics to understand native speakers' English sounds. Okay, you may have heard word stress, sentence stress, intonation. If you haven't, don't worry. Let me explain you from the beginning. Word stress, when you take long words like intelligent, unintelligent, successful, unsuccessful, spectacular. Words like those, of course, you can read them, you can make sentences with them with no problem. But when you're going to listen to them spoken by a native speaker, sometimes you find it difficult to understand what they say. So we are going to find out why we can't understand. All right. Let's take the word intelligent. Have a look at this.
Intelligent,
Intelligent, intelligent, intelligent,
intelligent,
intelligent, intelligent,
intelligent,
intelligent.
intelligent,
This is British, BRE, British English, intelligent. See, Americans show that nicely.
Intelligent,
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 intelligent.
intelligent,
They don't say intelligent. They don't start with a stress at the beginning of the word. They take the stress somewhere in the middle. See,
intelligent,
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 intelligent.
intelligent,
When we go to the opposite of this one, unintelligent.
unintelligent,
Here,
unintelligent,
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 unintelligent.
unintelligent,
Successful, successful.
successful,
You don't say successful. See,
successful,
successful,
successful, successful, successful,
successful, successful, successful, successful,
unsuccessful, 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 unsuccessful,
unsuccessful, unsuccessful, unsuccessful.
So you may be thinking, all right, sir, yeah, we can understand it. Yeah, you can understand it. That's not the issue. When they're being used inside a sentence like this, then they maintain a sort of a rhythm like this, intonation. Some words are coming up, some words are going down. These words are called stress words, keywords, or content words. These words, which we can't hear properly, are called unstressed syllables, or function words, or grammar words. Now, when you take a long sentence like this, we expect them to say, his efforts to get the job proved unsuccessful. We expect them to use all the words one by one individually, but they use as a link like this. Listen to me. His efforts to get a job, his efforts to get a job proved unsuccessful, proved unsuccessful, proved unsuccessful. So in this case, sometimes the word stress, only the stress point is coming up. Even in a word, unstressed syllable is going down with the connection of the other words in both sides. Let's see another example. The next example here. They were unsuccessful. They were unsuccessful, unsuccessful, unsuccessful. They were unsuccessful in meeting their objectives. They were unsuccessful in meeting their objectives. They were unsuccessful in they were unsuccessful in meeting. They were unsuccessful. We can hear only the stress part. So that's the danger in this. We can understand when our people, non-native speakers, speak this language, but when we are going to native speakers, that's the secret. So there's no problem. We can study them step by step. Let's see word stress. Okay, this is the word stress. In two-syllable nouns, two-syllable, you know what a syllable is? Don't know? Okay, don't worry. In this word, we can take two main sounds like de, nim, ba, hit, country, si, ti, wu, man, lay, di, lay, man. So this is a syllable. Syllable is a short sound with a vowel. See, de, nim, ba, hit, country. No matter the number of vowels you have inside the part or the syllable, we need the sound. Can, you have OU in that case. But the sound is a, country, si, ti, woman, lady, layman. So they are two-syllable nouns. In two-syllable nouns, so what's the rule in this case? In two-syllable nouns, the first syllable is normally stressed. You don't say denim, you have to say denim, bucket, country, city, woman, lady, lemon. Stress is at the beginning of the words. As a rule, in two-syllable nouns, the first syllable is normally stressed. So we have two-syllable nouns, three-syllable nouns, four-syllable nouns. When we go to verbs, also we have the same. When you go to adjectives, adverbs, but don't worry, when you have found the right path, it's not complicated. We can go smoothly. Then that's enough for the day. I'll see you with another valuable lessons. Bye-bye.